All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about a week from heck. So it's been a rather rough week for everybody in the shop, but Eric, I think, is the only one that hasn't had too much trouble. Bam Bam was doing a time and chain job on a Honda 2.4. Gravy job, nothing hard about it. And the bolt for the guide decided to strip out. I mean strip out so we couldn't get anything to grab it. Nothing. So I spent 30, 45 minutes cutting the guide off the bolt because it's shouldered and I couldn't get on the bolt itself. After I got it cut off, broke off, I was able to then take an air hammer and get it moving. Once I got it moving, it spun right out. Yeah, fun. Another fun thing that happened is this. And you Subi guys should recognize this. Yep, it is the variable valve timing cam bolt for the intake on a Subaru. Zach's already been having way too much fun with this Subaru. It's a dual cam, so, you know, trying to get all those cams in line, been fun. VVT had failed on it. In case, and before anybody starts commenting in the comments, there's no screen, okay? So, no screen, it's gone. So, no screen. This decided to strip out on him today. Yeah, 10 millimeter hex, nothing. Nothing we had held on it at all. I mean, it just slipped. Tried hammering in various things, just slipped. We were afraid we were gonna break something. In fact, I did. I hammered on a twist socket and shattered like a, you know, I don't have the socket anymore. Snap-on actually had it in stock, so I was able to get it warrantied, but broke it in two pieces. That was done. So what I did is I'll try to zoom in on it, is I took we were replacing the VVT anyway, so I took a cutoff wheel and sliced and diced it to the point where the shoulder was broken off a little bit. Once I was able to air hammer this bit out, I was able to actually get it to turn. Yeah, an hour at least of messing with this. All for a super tight bolt. Oh, and we tried inductive heating. Yeah, we tried pretty much everything until there was no other option. I cut it, air hammered. Once I did that, it took like 30 seconds. Once I got this chunk taken out of it, broke right loose, and I was able to just turn it out. So, and in case you're wondering, it is a hollow bolt, so do got to be careful with it. But yeah, fun week. My fun has also included a coolant leak on a 1.4 that involved parts that nobody had in stock, and you know, it was parts that I realized I needed once I got it all apart. Unfortunately, so that delayed that car for 2 days, waiting on parts to come in with it all apart. Had a couple more problems going back together. And in fact, on that car, taking the exhaust apart, I needed the torch. And of course, we were all out of gas. So inductive heater worked. So we sent our porter up to get our tanks refilled, and we're in the south, so we don't use a torch that much, but we got him to get 2 more tanks. So now we have backup when we need the torch. And unfortunately, That wasn't the first time I used the torch this week. Yeah, fun. No. Zach has been getting his butt kicked like crazy all week. Bam Bam's been, Bam Bam's been, everything he's touched has gone to crap. I mean, heck, the 1.4 Chevy, whatever the heck it was, I went to put the intake snorkel back on and the hose clamp broke for the intake. That's the kind of week we've been having, just lots of stuff going wrong. So, hope you enjoyed my misery. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.